Hey everyone, I'm Alex. Welcome back.
And I'm Emma. We're really happy you're here.
Before we start, just one important thing.
No difficult grammar, no boring rules. Haha.
Just natural English, like native speakers actually talk.
So relax, listen, and learn step by step.
All right, let's begin. If English feels difficult for you, this is exactly for you.
Today, we will show you how to start thinking in English, not your native language.
The biggest mistake beginners make is they translate everything in their head.
Yeah, first in their language, then into English.
And that slows speaking a lot.
I understand that. I used to do the same.
But fluent speakers, they don't translate.
So what do?
They think directly in English, even simple thoughts.
Oh, that sounds powerful.
For example, instead of forming a sentence in your native language first and then translating,
Just think directly in English.
exactly, no middle step.
Oh, that actually makes it faster.
Way faster.
So my brain is doing extra work for nothing.
Yeah, kind of. Let's practice one simple sentence.
Okay, I'm ready.
Repeat after me. I think in English.
I think in English.
Good.
I think in English.
Now listen carefully.
Stop thinking in your native language.
Start thinking in English, even with simple ideas.
That's actually a game changer.
Write one simple English sentence in the comments without translating it first.
Just one sentence. Don't overthink it.
Because thinking in English is the first step to fluency.
And small steps become big results.
If you enjoyed this lesson,
Please subscribe for the next episode.
and share this with your friends who also want to learn English.
See you in the next episode.
Take care. Bye.